Welcome back everybody into another daily recap. Today is Friday, the 23rd of February, and we're going to have a look on, as always, on GBPJPY, GBPUSD, and gold. So we're going to start with having a look at GBPJPY during the London session. And I mean, overall, it was not exciting day, I would say. We can see that from the start of the London session, we had this order block being created on GBPJPY, and exactly with the London Open, with the London push, we had a break and retest of this PSA. It will go around 14, 15 pips, actually almost 20, before pushing back down. But with the spread, I think that this one would have not been activated if I had placed a buy limit over there. With the spread, it would not be activated, so I will not count it as a possible missed opportunity. Just as the by the look of the, I mean, if we look at the setup, if we think that is a zero spread pair, just to see the trade idea, it worked actually absolutely fine. If we had the entries at the PPL, yes, it would have worked fine. But yes, after that, apart from that, yeah, throughout the late London, we saw this then push on GBP, on the GBP pairs, because also on GBPUSD, and yeah, we didn't get any particular retest. Here you can see that we had this PSA, but price pushed up around 15-16 pips, and then retested the PPL instead of retesting these lows. Retested the PPL for 13 pips, but after that, yeah, if we had a buy limit over here, it would be a break-even one. It will be activated over here, go around 12 pips, and then push back down into a break-even trade. Over here, yeah, after that, I was just monitoring. This is during the New York. We had a nice breakout below these lows, but a possible entry over here as a sell limit, it would have been an instant loss. And after that, price was bouncing. We didn't get even a breakout and a continuation up. So not really anything exciting. Price might now have this price action with a continuation down, but I mean, it's Friday. We are approaching yesterday 10 a.m. Eastern, which usually brings some volume, some spike in volatility, but for me the day is over. And let's have a look at gold. So this is gold, and we're now seeing, as you can see, a nice spike in volatility now that we are approaching the end of the hour and the start of the actual 10 a.m. candle. And we can have a look, and it's a bit more exciting. We saw this price action, so this breakout, so price is trending bearish from before the actual London Open. Even without hourly close, we have this pullback, and then continuation down. But after that, we see that price is failing to make new highs. So I'm not saying that I will enter sells over here, but when we then close below the hourly and we retest it, and we retest also this PSA, we retest this PSA, this one was a possible that I just saw it later. I'm not saying that I saw it live, possible entry, which will go into a win. And after that, I saw this one, I saw it live, I saw it before it happened. I mean, in the sense that, let's see, yeah, this was my trade idea after seeing this price action. I didn't take it, but this was the possible trade idea. You can see that it will go around 18 pips for a possible break even or loss, because you can see that it didn't reach the 20 pip. After that, as it did with the GBP pair, we had a correction, so possibly it was fueled by a general USD weakness. You can see that the same PSA was then retested on the upside. It took a little bit longer because it needed to also break above an hourly PSA. Drawdown was only like 5 pips, and then slowly, because it will take its time, because to go to TP, it will need basically 1 hour and a half, but it then will go. And also another further entry would have been after the break above this high. You can see this is the last high, breakout, retest, and that will go for more than 40 pips. Some possible entry above this area as well, but would only be probably like a break-even one. After that, just price ranging, yeah, correcting the move up with some retest, but I would not bother taking entries. I don't know if now the price is doing this price action. We're going to possibly see it at the end of the video. I don't want to do that. I want to do like this so that it stays there. Okay, let's see now on GBPUSD, which is the only pair where I took trades today and was only throughout the London session. So, and I told you about the GBPJPY break above the actual order block highs. The same time it was happening on GBPUSD. You can see that we had done very nice clean breakout, and the thing is that price will go exactly, look at this very good entry, exactly to my entry, but then it will only reach 9.3 pips. After seeing how this week went, I think if I saw it live, because I was not monitoring, probably I would have taken out at 9 pips or something, because I wanted to just gain back some of the profits from the week. But yeah, I didn't see it, and I just saw it pushing back down to my stop loss, which was likely at break even. Yeah, a little bit less than break even. And yeah, another entry would have been over there for like 5 pips. Another one would have been over there for the break even trades. But very nice. It's like a bouncing ball. You can see how from a relevant support, it tends to do bam, 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 bam. It's like a bouncing ball. Bing, 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 bing. It's very, very interesting to see it in the market. After that, I didn't take advantage of this correction. I saw this break below these lows, but there was no entry. I mean, I saw it a little bit later, but there was no real entry unless I was using this PSA, but it was not the reference one that I would have used. And yeah, this entry would not, this candle did not tap into this one. So unlucky that it would not go into a very nice setup for a possible win. But what I took was, after seeing this price action, this one would have been a win. No, would have been a break-even one as well. I saw this break below, very nice, retesting this area. I had my sell limit, only 1.5 pips of drawdown, and then it will go 5 pips. The TP was around there. I was ready to take out at around 8.6 at this area, but yeah, it just simply failed to break below at the same time as GBP pair, at the same time as gold. All the other pairs actually failed to break below. You can see over here. Let's go on GBP JPY. At the same time, you can see that we had double bottoms all over the place. Yeah, failed to break below, and then it went to break even. So I think overall for the day, I am basically break even. Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah, basically a little bit of a loss of a few cents. And yeah, price from there will just bam, 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 make new highs. I saw this price action, but we didn't get any retest. And yeah, we didn't get any particular retest throughout this time. And the interesting part comes during the New York session. During the New York session, we're coming from a very nice and steep bullish price action. An entry would have been possible over here above the hourly, but it's just a retest of an hourly PSA. I don't really like. I don't trust, because I mean, what am I trading? I mean, on the 1 minute, it's difficult for me to just trust this one. But one thing that I would have and could have traded was, after seeing this price action, just having a buy limit over here was nice. The drawdown would be around 2.5 pips, so quite a rough one. That's because after this bearish price action, having just a 3 pips stop loss is quite challenging, it's quite brave, because it's very risky. I mean, due to the fact that with this strong bearish price action, we can easily have even a little bit of a deeper pullback before pushing back up. Okay, and so yeah, so I don't remember what I was talking about, because I had to do something. Yeah, I was talking about that after such a strong bearish move, we might have a little bit of, I don't know how to say, bleeding, a little bit of price needing a little bit more time and price to stop for all the buy orders to get filled. But yeah, even in this case with the 3 pips would have been okay, it would have been a win. And a further retest of this area would have been a win. And yeah, even a bigger win. So that was good. I didn't take it, but I was looking at it, and it's quite an interesting thing that I see that if I was completely fearless, completely confident, and just really trading my ideas, that's something that I would take without too many fears, as I was saying. Now we might have a possible correction down if we failed again to break above these highs. I don't know if now it's even an hourly. Yeah, this is basically an hourly PSA. So now that we failed, we might have a correction to fill some of this space to these lows. Let's see. We're going to see now, especially in the next hour, with the London close and the end of the Friday coming in. So here we are seeing the same possibly happening on GBPJPY. Let's see gold. Gold had a little bit of a bounce around 10 pips, 5 pips, 10 pips. So we're going to see what is going on. But of course, I'm down for the day. Well, now it's a nice breakout. Let's see if also we get a retest of this area. On the 20-tick chart, you can see how this one, it's a little bit more crowded. I will not really, I don't know if I will trust the 1 minute one that I have or the actual 20-tick chart lows, but it's very likely that the price will push down and make, isn't like, not very likely now, but there's a good chance that the price will push down and continue down to fill that range, especially if we break below these lows. And yeah, we're going to see it now in the next few minutes. Hope you guys enjoyed. Tomorrow I'm going to do the actual weekly recap with all the trades and some also psychological update and everything. But that's it for today. See you next time.